We got plant mail. This plant mail came from Tropical Sprouts. I found them on Etsy. Do you want to know what it is? I'll give you time to guess. Ready? Guess. Really? Maybe you're right. Okay, so I opened the box. They sent me 20% off any purchase on our website. That's cool. I opened it off camera so that TikTok wouldn't ban me for using a K and IFE on screen. Very well packaged. Oh, I'm so excited. Hold on. Oh. Slowed down the Mojito, My Dream Plant, Gorgeous, the White Lava, the Nancy's Revenge, and the Tropical Storm. This one I think will have a lot more character once it's a little bit bigger. Look at those happy little woots. I'm going to peel off as much of this little net as I can without harming the plant, just because I want it to be able to have a big, happy, healthy root system. I'm going to do that for all of them. This one's even better. They are now in their nursery pots, and hopefully we will be seeing some new growth progress soon.